go huge here. Doesn't hit the pistol. Would you believe it?
This is probably one of the heaviest gaming chairs out there. The Razer Iskur, which is labeled as Razer's first gaming chair, mostly oriented towards gamers, but I myself am a productivity freak. I'm mainly looking for something easy to build that can provide great posture and offer the optimal balance of support and comfort. At first glance, I can definitely tell everything is well packaged. The backrest is well protected, covered with some plastic wrap to protect this beautiful leather. And yes, there is protective foam pretty much everywhere. Underneath, a memory foam head pillow is included, and of course the seat and the accessories for assembling it as well. But before we start digging in further, we need to understand what we are working with. A 3-year warranty is provided with this $500 chair, comes with its own little toolkit, some wheels along with the side covers to cover some bolts, and of course, not to forget, the tilt mechanism with a piston. Oh, and for you Razer fanboys, yes, you do get stickers. Razer went ahead and created a nice little assembly video for us to follow. The assembly for this chair was nothing too complicated. In fact, it reminds me exactly of multiple chairs I've put together in the past. The backrest interconnects with the seat using the toolkit screws provided in the box. You can go ahead and hide these screws with the side covers and then making sure to use the plugs to hide the final screw. I then went ahead and wired the lumbar cable to the respective socket, leading myself to simply start screwing the tilt mechanism so I could simply move on to the final steps. I never know what to call these, but to me it simply looks like a starfish. Installing the wheels is a fairly simple process, and inserting the piston within its base couldn't be any easier. But just be careful, cause this thing is hella heavy. Sitting down, I immediately noticed the lower lumbar support. Is it comfortable? I'd say so. I can even add the fact that I like the positioning of the pillow, but I am mostly excited to see how the seat padding compares to my ergo chair too. The materials of this chair are far beyond what I was expecting. The base is made of metal, the little integrated pillow is made of a nice and soft memory foam. We also have great stitching all over the chair, including the seat's logo, and of course, I love how the leather looks and feels. I don't know about you, but this looks like carbon fiber to me. Pretty cool, Razer. But look at this. The Razer Iskur is able to protrude its lumbar support, which allows the brand to solely focus on maximum comfort as stated. I'd say that this is super well engineered and an awesome feature to have, but the Razer Iskur does far beyond just that. The adjustable 4D armrest has a few interesting features: adjustable height with these metal look-like audio RH shifters, adjustable rotation, and a full XY plane freedom of movement. The chair also provides far reclining backrest and great heights to accommodate 5'6" to 6'2" people. But I think it's too soon to say how good this chair is and if it's even worth the price. For the upcoming weeks, I will be spending 100% of my time using this chair and simply observe the changes this $500 unit delivers within my productivity setup. Even though the casters are super smooth, I will not rate this chair yet. I will put together an Ergo Chair 2 versus the Razer Iskur video and really give my in-depth thoughts on both these chairs together. So make sure to stay tuned for that video.